Just say hello. Sometimes that's all you need to make conversation and potentially make a friend, maybe even a lifelong friend. You never know. You're in public, you see someone, just say hello. See what happens. If they seem receptive, what's your name? Where are you from? And see what happens. This is something that I don't do nearly often enough, and I'm reminded of how useful it is when I meet someone who does that. The other day I was at a coffee shop. I was working, and this dude enters the coffee shop, and he just fist bumps everyone and goes, "It's a great day, isn't it?" And I was taken aback because I was working, and I was like, "It is a great day indeed. Yeah, yeah." And then I started, being open to conversation after being slightly confused for a second, and we got talking. And then today, I was in the lobby of my hotel. Yes, these things are easier when you travel, but they also work when you're just in your hometown or whatever. I was in my hotel. I see a friendly woman. I could see she was friendly. I could feel, and I sit down because I'm like, okay, maybe I'm going to talk to her because she seems friendly. And then she talks to me. She comes up to me and says, "Hello." And I'm like, "Oh, yeah, hello." Like the way she said hello was so welcoming that it just, made me want to talk to her. So I was like, "Hi, yeah, what's your name?" And then we got talking. So it is very simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. In my videos, I talk about a lot of different ways to approach people, to make conversation, and a lot of these things can be very useful. But I just want you to remember that sometimes it doesn't have to be that complicated, and you can try with just hello, and then sure, you might think, "Oh, what do I say after that?" You'll figure it out. Just try starting with hello.